Hey, how's it going everyone? So today we're doing a quick unboxing of this 3-in-1 fast charge. Fast charge? Not fast charger? So let's see. So it's 2 watts on the watch, 3 watts on the earphone, and then another earphone again, 5 to 7 to 10 watts. So I'm thinking that should be phone. So that should be phone. It's just a little confusing, but it's okay as long as it works. So the good thing about this one versus my previous one I got, this one comes with the built-in watch charger. My previous one, I had to provide my own watch charger, and well, that kind of defeats the purpose, right? Oh, that was a bad cut from me. So that defeats the purpose, right? So with this one, it has it built in. I know this because I have 2 of these, and one's in the other room, and this one's gonna be in this room. So let's do a quick unboxing here. So the cool part is this comes with a nice charger brick, and is a quality brand, Qualcomm. It's a 3.0 quick charge. And usually you need to use the charger provided in order to get the fast charging or the faster charging. And so here we go. This here. So we'll take off the rubber band. It comes with this nice, look at that, USB-C. See, you know it's a quality product when it uses type C and not the micro, right? So let's go ahead and open this here. And plug that in. See the blue. Yeah. That's 3.0. Okay, so now this is plugged in. Let's put that like right there. Put this right here. Okay, so as you can tell, you can put your phone here. You're able to stand up vertical or portrait, depending on whichever, if you're watching something. Well, of course, my phone is currently recording. So let's see if this would see. So it recharges my pros. If you can see the red dot there. And then you charge your other one the normal way. And you can see it's charging. And then I'll take off my watch. And I'll put it right there. So the watch is just sometimes a little tricky. You have to, the magnet is not as strong, so you just kind of make sure it sits in there really well. It's not too much of a hassle, but sometimes if you just want to throw it on, you'll miss the charge, and it won't charge your watch overnight. So at first I didn't think I would like this style, and a lot of other people like my previous one has kind of like it has the watch kind of on a pedestal. So one of my other ones was one of the first ones that came out, and it's made out of pure aluminum, and I thought it was so cool. And it had a cool factor, right? But the watch is on a pedestal, so sometimes if you grab it wrong, it will slip, and that would the watch would obviously only fall maybe like, what is that, about 4 inches, but you just never know, right? So your watch will fall from at least 3, 4, maybe 5 inches above, and it'll crack down right onto that nice aluminum base. So this is plastic, so it feels a little bit better because you're putting it on, and it has this soft plastic, so there's less chance of it creating micro scratches or scratches. But the best part is there's no falling on this because you place it pretty much on the floor. See, so no, it's actually charging right there. Let's see. Let me take it off. Let's do a quick test here. Okay, so there you go. So let's throw it on right there. See, the magnet is not strong enough to catch it. And even right here, it still won't catch it, right? So you actually had to push the bottom to make sure it seats. So actually here, there you go. So that's the only thing that you have to pay attention to, is that you put it onto the magnetic base a little bit better than just throwing it on. You actually have to just tweak it to make sure it's on there. But that's it. So I thought this green light would stay on the whole time, but I guess it doesn't. But anyway, so it works. It's awesome. It places it at a pretty good angle. So if you are watching from, if you're listening to some or you want to watch something from bed, this is at a pretty good angle that you could actually use it. Other than that, sorry here. Other than that, it is, like I said, made out of soft plastic. Well, it's plastic with this nice soft coating on top. There is this green light to make sure to let you know that it's plugged in. And I think when you actually put your phone on, it actually does change it to a different color. So let's see if this would pick it up. There you go. See, so when it's charging, it'll actually change from green to blue. Okay, so that's to let you know that something's going on. And that's it. It's 3-in-1. I mean, I wish it kind of had like an extra USB port here, just in case you have like an older iPad or just you want to charge one more extra device. Because some people, they do charge iPads at night, so having one more plug would have been spot on. But that's okay. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Like I said, so this will charge your phone, your watch, your AirPods. Your AirPods Pros will actually charge in this too. Yeah, because obviously, it won't fit in here. This for your first generation. But yeah, I think that's about it. All right. Here, I'll just give you a quick spin around. It's all made of a nice one solid piece. I believe if you peel this off, it has more of kind of like a, not sticky, but just a little bit more of a feet to kind of stick to your desk or your surface. I choose not to use that. I just leave it as is. But this is one of my go-to devices just because it's priced pretty well and it just works. And it's type C, which is always good. And it comes with a plug, charger plug that goes into the wall. All right, I'll leave it there.